I'm going to be talking today about why your hair won't grow and what no one is telling you. Let me guess. You've tried rice water, biotin gummies, black castor oil, everything TikTok, YouTube and Instagram told you, and your hair is still stuck at shoulder length. It's not the products. Let's talk about what's really going on here. So why your hair won't grow, the real tea that no one talks about. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do and don't to grow long, beautiful hair. Hair growth is an inside job. And if your body is stressed, undernourished, hormonally imbalanced, your follicles are going to just say, absolutely not, I am not growing. And here's the tea. Stress shrinks your follicles. A bad diet, it starves your hair of the nutrients it needs to grow. And if your hormones are just completely unbalanced, hello postpartum, PCOS, or even poor sleep, your hair won't grow consistently, no matter how many oils and treatments you use. Now let's talk about product overload and hair confusion, because I know a lot of you are stuck there and that's why you're watching this video. And let's be honest, most people are doing way too much to their hair, trying in desperation to make it grow. But there's some simple facts and tips that I want to share with you in today's video. But one week you're using rice water, the next you're using rosemary oil, the next it's that £70 expensive conditioner. Your hair isn't growing because it's confused. You're using way too many products, trying to grow long hair. Just listen to this and I'll help you. Inconsistency is the enemy of progress. You keep starting over because you're not in any routine. You're not giving it any time to work. So stop chasing the hype and start tracking your habits and your results. And now we're going to talk about the scalp health, because that is hair health. Your scalp is skin, and you're piling on product after product without detoxing or clarifying. You're clogging your follicles, literally suffocating your hair. And did you know your scalp ages 10 times faster than the skin on your face? Just think about it. What you're using on your face and what you're using on your scalp makes a huge difference, but there's a completely different age and an aging process between it. And signs your scalp is crying for help: flaking, itchiness, build up, tightness. You wouldn't put moisturizer over a dirty face. So why are you layering oils on a congested scalp? And now the emotional layer. Now let's talk about mindset, because half of you are trying to rush the process, the healing journey, but you can't rush it. You need to take time. You need to be making habits. And if your hair's been through heat damage, chemical treatments, trauma, or just years and years of neglect, why do you expect it to bounce back in 3 weeks? Growth takes patience. You have to rewire your expectations. Your hair isn't broken, it's just trying to recover, and it needs consistency, not desperation. If you've been doing all of the things right and still not seeing results, it's probably because you're following what worked for someone else, not what your hair actually needs, which is why I'm sharing this. And if you want a growth plan, just comment growth below and I'll drop you my most underrated tip for creating a custom growth plan that actually works. No fluff, just facts. And as always, I just want to say a massive thank you just for hanging out with me, watching this, supporting my channel. And if you're tired of those trendy tips and ready to see real results, just hit my subscribe button, like this video and share it with someone still stuck in the rice water rabbit hole, because your hair deserves better and so do theirs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.